Hey everyone! Welcome back to AILOVA Hot Pot. Today, we're making Tom Kha Gai, a creamy, fragrant Thai coconut soup with chicken, mushrooms, and a perfect balance of sweet, sour, and spicy flavors. It's comforting, easy to make, and packed with deliciousness. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need for Tom Kha Gai: 1 can, 400 milliliters, coconut milk, 2 cups chicken broth, 200 g chicken breast or thigh, thinly sliced 1 stalk lemongrass, bruised and cut into 2-inch pieces, 3 for slices galangal, or ginger if you can't find galangal, for 5 kaffir lime leaves, torn, remove the stem, 200 g mushrooms, straw mushrooms or button mushrooms work great, 1-2 Thai chilies, smashed, adjust for spice level, 1 tbsp fish sauce, or soy sauce for a vegetarian version, 1 tbsp palm sugar, or brown sugar, 2 tbsp lime juice, fresh cilantro, and red chili slices for garnish. Step 1. Prepare the aromatics. First, let's prep our aromatics. Bruise the lemongrass by smashing it with the back of your knife. This releases its amazing fragrance. Then, slice the galangal, or ginger, and tear the kaffir lime leaves to help them infuse better. Step 2. Simmer the broth. Now, pour in the coconut milk and chicken broth. Add the lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves. Let this simmer for 5 minutes to build that deep, fragrant base. Step 3. Cook the chicken and mushrooms. Next, add the chicken slices and mushrooms. Let them cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the chicken is tender and the mushrooms soften. Step 4. Season the soup. Time to season. Add fish sauce, palm sugar, lime juice, and Thai chilies. Taste and adjust. You want a balance of salty, sweet, and tangy. If you like it spicier, add more chilies. Step 5. Serve and garnish. And we're done. Serve your Tom Kha Gai hot, garnished with fresh cilantro and chili slices. The aroma is incredible: creamy coconut, zesty lime, and just the right kick of heat. Outro. There you have it, homemade Tom Kha Gai in just 20 minutes. If you loved this recipe, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more delicious recipes. Let me know in the comments if you want more Thai dishes. See you next time. Happy cooking!